In today's video, I'm going to teach you Guide with Google and Great Notion Support Services. We'll walk through a simple, reliable way to get into Notion, use Notion AI to generate a timetable, and open the example that Notion provides so you can see a clean starting point. I'll keep it clear and conversational so you can follow along without pausing every few seconds. First, open your web browser and head to your favorite search engine. In the search bar, type Notion. Look for the official Notion website in the results. It should be clearly labeled as Notion's homepage, and the branding will match what you expect from the official site. Clicking into the official site ensures you're in the right place and avoids any confusing lookalikes or outdated links. Once you're on the Notion homepage, look toward the top right corner for the Login button. Click Login to proceed to the Sign In screen. From here, choose your usual sign-in method and continue into your workspace. If you're part of multiple workspaces, make sure you're in the one where you want the timetable to live. After a moment, you should land on your Notion home, or the last page you were working on, ready to use Notion's tools. Next, it's time to put Notion AI to work. Open Notion AI from the interface. Look for the AI prompt area or the AI icon, and in the prompt field, type Create Timetable. Keep it simple for now. This direct phrase tells Notion AI exactly what you want to generate. If you want to refine the results later, you can adjust your prompt with details like days of the week, time blocks, or goals. But to start, a straightforward request helps the AI produce a solid baseline quickly. After Notion AI generates results, you'll see an option labeled Example Timetable. Click on Example Timetable to open it. This takes you into a pre-structured page that showcases a clear schedule format. Here, you can review how the timetable is laid out, scan the sections for days or categories, and see how the blocks are arranged. This example gives you a reference for structure and style, making it easier to understand how your own timetable might look and function inside Notion. And that's it. You searched for Notion, logged in, asked Notion AI to create a timetable, and opened the example timetable to view a clean, usable layout. With this foundation, you're well positioned to organize your time effectively and adapt the structure to your personal or team needs.